Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to receive Bitcoin on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start receiving Bitcoin on Cash App. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to get started, let's open up Cash App, and then the next thing that we're going to do is on the bottom left hand corner you want to click on the number $sign. So for my example, it's $9. Next, underneath Save and Invest, you want to click on Bitcoin. And then from here, you want to click on the arrow up and arrow down icon. So that's located right next to Sell. Next, click on Receive. Now this is the QR code that people can scan in order to send you Bitcoin. So this is how you actually go ahead and receive Bitcoin. Now you can copy this QR code, and as you can see right now we have some blurred out information, but you can also copy the address, the Bitcoin address, or the Lightning invoice in order to receive Bitcoin on Cash App as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and receive Bitcoin on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.